Hello friends, I am Ehtisham. Welcome to Learning City. Today in this tutorial of Office 365 PowerPoint presentation, I am going to make this beautiful 3D looking cube from the pictures. You can make this cube from any kind of picture you want. For this, first we have to insert 3 pictures. Go to Insert tab. Under the Pictures tab, insert a picture from device or from any online source or from stock images. I'm going to insert picture from this PC. Select 3 pictures, insert it, select all 3 pictures, go to align center, align middle. Now reduce the size, make it a square as small as you can, the size you want. I'm going to make a small cube just to show you how you can do it. I'm going to take, this is too small, 3 inch. Now align center, now align middle. Distribute these pictures horizontally. First, you have to select here align to the slide, not for align the selected objects. Align to slide and then distribute horizontally. Now resize the picture. Let's slightly, like 2.9 is enough. Now select all the pictures, format object. Under the 3D format, select top bevel, the first one. Select individual picture. Under the 3D rotation tab, give it off axis 1 left to this one, give it off axis top. For the third one, as we have 3 pictures, give it off axis 1 right. You have to do nothing more, just combine all these pictures like I'm doing. Adjust accordingly. And in this way you can have a 3D looking cube. Now group these pictures, select all and press Ctrl J, or under the option tab click group. So this is how you can create a 3D looking cube in Office 365 PowerPoint, just like your previous one. And if you want to add the shadow effect, click insert a square, an oval shape, send it to back. Now shape outline, no outline. In the shape fill option, give it slight shadow color. Under the format, click format shape. Under the gradient fill, click two stops, one with the white picture and the other one with just like a shadow color. And this is, if you want to make it a little darker, stretch it outside. A shadow effect will be added to this. Okay, adjust the size accordingly. Select both, group it. So this is how you can create a 3D cube in PowerPoint. For more videos and updates on Office 365 PowerPoint, other PowerPoint slides, subscribe this channel, like this video. Thank you.